This is a teach of Raised Like That, choreographed by Darren Bailey. It's a 32 count 2-wall dance. It begins with wizard step. Our weight is on our left, and we step, lock, and heel switches, heel, and step, lock, and step, turn, a half. Step, lock, and heel, and step, lock, and step, turn, turn. We actually end up doing a 3/4 turn, and I think it'll be a little easier if I go ahead and have you do that for your practice. So I'm going to do it with counts, and I'm going to add the 1 count to this because I think it'll be easier for you. So weights on our left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. We stomp right a 1/4 turn. I'm now going to turn my back to you, even though you will be facing your 3 o'clock wall. I'm going to turn my back to you so that you can see the next part where we just stomp to the side, behind, side, cross, and cross, side, behind, side, touch, and touch. We step behind, side, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side, touch, and touch. That much with counts. So our stomp is 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, and heel, and step, lock, and step, turn, turn, behind, and cross, side, rock, behind, side, touch, and touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Stomp, behind, side, cross, and cross, side, rock, behind, side, touch, and touch, turn, turn, coaster, step, walk right, left, side touch, turn, turn, coaster, step, walk right, triple left. Weights on our left now. Okay, so with counts, it's and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, our weights on our left. We do have a restart right here on wall 8. You can stumble through that on your own later. 4 now, we got to finish the dance. We rock, recover, coaster, step. Now this part is interesting. We do a step turn, but it's a little like a Monterey turn, where you know how in a Monterey turn, the pulling of the leg back is what brings you to your new wall. That's a bit of what happens on this step turn at the end. So it's rock, recover, coaster, step, step, turn, close, and snap at the end. So with counts, It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be my 12 and 6, all the way through without stopping, nice and slow. Weights on our left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock and heel and step, lock and step, turn, side, behind and cross, side, rock, behind, side, touch and touch, turn, turn, coaster, step, walk, triple step, rock, recover, coaster, step, step, turn, close, and snap, step, lock and heel and step, lock and step, turn, side, behind and cross, side, rock, behind, side, touch and touch, turn, turn, coaster, step, right, left, rock, recover, coaster, step, step, turn, snap. Darren always offers lots of exciting alternative hopping and spinning and whatnot that you can do, but I am teaching so that you can get on the floor. Whole thing with counts. My back to the camera. Sorry, I touched my nifty microphone. Okay. Weights on our left with counts. I'm going to speed you up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is raised like that. I hope you get it. I hope you come out there and dance it with me at the Cotton Eye Joe.